The ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa on Thursday struggled to dismiss threats by outspoken war veteran Blessed Geza, who has called on President Emmerson Mnangagwa to resign or face coup, confirming that the president and his inner circle are now in panic mode. Sanapinda mashuka tinoti aiwa kunyange nana Mchangwa vakatokonewa vakazama but vakaona kuti aiwa zvinenge zviri kunetsa kudhifenda mutungamiri wenyika. Ndopa subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa msipalwana chiti addressing the media at the ZANU-PF headquarters. Mchangwa, known for his fiery outbursts and denying factionalism within the ruling party, attempted to downplay Geza's challenge. All he could muster was a dismissive remark: Geza is being used by fools. Geza, a former liberation war fighter and vocal critic of Mnangagwa's leadership, has since gone into hiding after police announced on Wednesday that they are seeking his arrest on multiple charges. However, his faction has dismissed the charges as politically motivated, warning that any attempt to arrest or assassinate him would be met with fierce resistance. Any arrest or assassination at this point would be a declaration of war in this country. Let me repeat, you've unleashed violence for no offense, a spokesperson for Geza's group declared. Political analysts and Geza's supporters argue that the accusations are a desperate ploy to silence one of Mnangagwa's fiercest critics as the battle for power within ZANU-PF escalates. Geza has been relentless in his criticism of Mnangagwa's alleged misgovernance, corruption, and his controversial push for an unconstitutional third term. He has also accused Mnangagwa of reneging on a supposed gentleman's agreement with Chiwenga, under which was expected to rotate after 2 terms. Ndomashuka tunoti panapa kunyange nana Mchangwa vakakona kuti vodhifenda sei mutungamiri wenyika zvakunyatsokura pachena kuti aiwa this guy is in panic mode. Tudze mafungiro emu todi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.